There are a couple reasons why the annotation feature of Pando is one of the most valuable features. It allows for collaboration directly within the system. So users from your company can have a virtual discussion or virtual discussions regarding any number of reports without sending multiple emails back and forth. Also, something unique to the Cande data is that hundreds of people have access to the benchmark reports. And that means that any user can ask any amount of questions and discuss the results with the winners of the Cande Awards. So there's the potential for hundreds of discussions, internal to your company or external with other brands, about the candidate experience. That being said, let me go ahead and show you how to make an annotation in the system. First, you'll want to open the report that you want to annotate. So let's say I'm interested in annotating this candidate last step in the recruiting process. I'd click on it, open it up. And as you can see, there's already a couple of annotations. Annotations are noted by the blue box with a number in it. Now each annotation is given a number, 1, 2, 3. If this particular report had 50 annotations, then there'd be 50 blue boxes. The most recent annotation made is given the number 1. And then chronologically from there they go 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So to make a new annotation, you want to click the point of data that you're interested in commenting on or annotating. So here I'll choose the 17.93, accepted an offer of employment. If I click on that point, with one click, I have the add annotation box. Click on the plus sign and I have a text box come up. In here I can add anything that I want to say. It's pretty simple, pretty user-friendly. Now if I want to attach a file to my annotation, perhaps as proof or as a reference, I can simply click here for attach a file. If I want to notify others so that I'm making this annotation, I simply click the notify others. And here I have a list of all the users in the system, and I can notify any one of those users or all of those users that I've made an annotation on this particular report. So once I have in my annotation text box what I want to say, I will click save, the system will save it and refresh the report. Now as you can see below, we now have 4 annotations. The second annotation here, somebody commented on it, and this is how it would show up if you were to comment. If you wanted to make a comment on an annotation or a comment on a comment, you would simply click the add comment. You have another text box show up. You can attach a file to your comment. You can notify others that you're commenting on an annotation. So as you can see, it can go on and on and on, and there's really the potential for a lot of discussion here surrounding this data. When you share an annotation with somebody or notify somebody of an annotation, they'll receive an email like this. Pretty simple new annotation for the report name here. We'll have the report here, a little snapshot of it, and then below it'll give a couple of the annotations that you wanted to be shared with that user.